Welcome back to another Run Bike Mike video. My name is Mike. If you haven't been here before, thanks for stopping by. If you have, thanks for coming back. Today, I want to talk about this stepless tool made by Uniche. Real quick, Uniche did send me this tool. They did not ask me to give any type of specific review, just to check out the product and see what I thought and make a video of those thoughts. They also did not pay me to do this in any way, just sending me this tool to take a look at it to see if it's something that I would recommend to my viewers. So let's go ahead and let's take a look. So their stepless tool is really unique. If you look at the design of it, it kind of looks like a lollipop with a giant handle. This top portion is the ratcheting step portion. This bottom, which is also a handle, also serves as a place to store all the bits that come with it. And I think this is pretty cool. It even has a little magnet on the lid so the tools will stick to it and not rattle around whenever they're inside the tube. And this is inside of your camelback or your hydration pack. You get all kinds of little bits, including an extender so you can get to hard to reach places. But this thing comes with Hex Bits, Phillips head, a flat head, and then some star bits also. So pretty much any bolt you need to tighten on your bike is going to be inside this little package that fits nicely inside the base of the tool. So you can drop your bit in here, and then you can go ahead and you can tighten or loosen any of the bolts that you need. Now the other option is an extender tool. You can just slide that in here just like this, put your bit in there, and then you're ready to use the extender tool. So now with the stepless tool detached from the body, I can simply put in a bit and then get it into tight spots like this where my water bottle cage is, and remove those bolts or tighten them back up. If you're like me and you're not super concerned about weight, this tool might be the tool for you. It comes in at 174 grams, but you could always reduce that just a little bit by removing some of those bits that you might not need in your pack whenever you go out on the trail. It's also 120 millimeters in length, which I find that to be fairly compact for a tool with this type of functionality. And there you go, that is the Uniche stepless tool. I think it's pretty cool, definitely a very unique design, and it has a lot of function in the design that they came up with. So good job, Uniche. I really like this product so far. I can't wait to see what the longevity is. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Have you tried this tool or tried any other products from Uniche? And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. It really helps out my channel and I greatly appreciate it. But as always, get out there, run, bike, build, and just have fun. We'll see you in the next one. Time to do some bike repair.